Most guys think attraction is about looks, but psychology says it's about energy. Because what women really respond to isn't your face, it's the way they feel around you. 1. The calm energy. When you walk into a room relaxed, grounded, and sure of yourself, people feel it instantly. Your energy tells her you're not seeking validation, and that's magnetic. Confidence without arrogance is the first psychological trigger of attraction. 2. Genuine curiosity. Instead of trying to impress, get interested. Ask thoughtful questions. When she talks and you truly listen, her brain releases oxytocin, the same hormone that builds trust and connection. You're not chasing, you're connecting. 3. Playful vibe. Flirting isn't about lines, it's about energy and timing. A teasing smile, gentle humor, eye contact that lingers just a moment longer. These microsignals create chemistry. Her brain reads playfulness as social intelligence, not pressure. 4. Authenticity. Women can sense when someone is pretending. The male brain hides insecurity, but authenticity is what builds safety. When you're real about what you like, who you are, and what you want, attraction naturally grows. 5. Purpose. Here's the secret most people miss. Psychology shows women are more attracted to men with a sense of direction. When you're passionate about your life, career, goals, growth, that confidence radiates, because attraction isn't about trying to be liked. It's about liking yourself so much that others feel drawn to your peace. So stop chasing attention, start becoming magnetic. That's how attraction really works.